Hello, I am Kote Gvasalia, the creator of the YouTube channel Blender Navigator. It's my first tutorial on YouTube in which I talk. Forgive me for the shortcomings. The video is about one of the methods of modeling braced structures. Let's start. Choose a cube as the initial shape. Select and press the slash button on numpad. Press the tab button for editing. Then key number 3 and select faces. Right-click the mouse button and choose Poke Faces. Press key number 2, it selects edges. First mark the vertical edges. Then press P and choose a selection. It separates edges from the cube. Repeat the same actions according to the video. Then click the tab button to exit the edit. Select the cube and delete it. Select the vertical lines. Convert to cube. Then go to the object data properties. From the bevel section, specify the thickness. Repeat the same for the other contours. You can combine several contours. Select, press Ctrl J, convert to curve and then specify the thickness. If you combine contours of different thicknesses, everyone's profile will become one, so combine similar curves. Then convert the obtained forms into meshes and combine them into one mesh using Ctrl J. Turn off isolation by pressing numpad /. Move the created shape to the bridge. Now multiply by the array modifier. Select object, go to modifier properties, choose array, turn off relative offset. or set 0 to factor. Set the fit type to fit length. Type the entire length of the structure. Activate the constant offset. Specify the size between similar points of two objects in the direction of the corresponding axis. Let's assign the material to structure. That's it all. I hope the lesson was interesting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Good luck!